Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can set a friend's nickname in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal Messenger app on your phone and select your friend whom you want to rename. Then click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. After that, click on Chat Settings. Then the next thing you want to do is click on Nickname. After you click on Nickname, you can see the first name and the last name. You can ignore the last name and you can keep the nickname in the first one. And after you do this, just go ahead and click on Save. And then you can see that the nickname has been changed. So I'm going to show this process to you once again. Click on the three dots and click on Chat Settings. Then you can see the nickname. Go ahead and tap on it and you can write down the name. So after you have written your nickname, just go ahead and click on Save, and you can see that this person will be nicknamed as you want. I hope this video about how you can set a friend's nickname in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.